going on, guys? That was fucking stupid. Hey guys, how's it going? So, little update on the Z. I gotta talk kind of quiet, just because I have neighbors and I don't want to scare them. Alright, so there's a few things that I have done. Been working on it for the whole entire weekend. I am actually pretty tired. But yeah, I got a few new goodies for the car. I wish I could record some of them I couldn't, just because I'm having other people help me out, and to do all this kind of stuff is kind of weird. So first, got some big ass brakes on here now. You guys want to take a guess on how much I got these brakes for? Come on, don't be shy. Who wants to guess how much I got these brakes for? No, wasn't for a donut. Yeah, it was $700. I got these for $700. The most important mod that I've gotten for my car, picked up on Friday. Oh yeah. Hey guys, so it's been a couple of days since the bumper's been done. I've been meaning to get to it a little bit earlier, but I've been busy actually. I'm in the process of moving right now. I'm moving out of Riverside, which is where I live, and just been busy taking care of that stuff. I should be moving out by the end of the week. Can you knock that off? Sorry for the lack of energy. I am pretty tired and I don't feel good. I'm thinking I'm sick. So just kind of under the weather feeling right now, and yeah, just no enthusiasm. No, that hasn't really changed. Stupid millennial. So once I find a place to go record, I think I might head up to Oakland. There's some pretty nice secluded places up there to where I can find some places to go record this, but I don't have much sunlight. You got about 20 minutes before the sun goes down. So it only took 2 weeks for me to actually finish this up. Moving's been hectic. I finally managed to get back to where I grew up, and holy crap, you cannot beat this view. Now, as I'm trying to recall what I recorded last, about almost, half a month ago, I guess I'll just try to figure this shit out. So I guess I'll try to figure this crap out. Where was I? I don't remember. This is really awkward. I guarantee those people over there are wondering what the fuck I'm doing. So the bumper is completely done now, which is amazing. I mean, the thing looks so great. I can't complain. The bumper, I did kind of rush trying to get done, so the paint isn't perfect. I need to get that recorrected, but once I get either the front bumper or the wing in next, should be fine. But I mean, look at this. And this thing is just, it's pretty. This thing is pretty. I mean, it really just changes the look of the car. It almost looks like a Porsche. And I mean, not trying to gain some clout credits here. Sure. With this bumper on, I've had actually way more people try to race me. Not that I condone it, because I don't race at all. I've never raced a single day in my life. I don't even know what racing is. I've definitely never done any racing, as you can tell by the state of my bolt tires. And yeah, if you see me doing this, it's not the Coke I sniffed earlier. There's a whole bunch of gnats flying around, as you can probably see that crap. I've gotten so many compliments over it, because I'm an attention whore. I love that kind of stuff. The only issues that there are with it is that the company got it through, they give you car grill, and it's cheap, kind of like chicken wire. And yeah, this sort of fell out. I only put them here. I didn't put them on these ones because I don't really like them there. But I put them here, and that side fell out. This side, it took out just because it wasn't good. So I'm gonna order some higher end, better quality grills and attach it somewhat in a better way. Once I get to it, it's probably not gonna be for a while. I mean, this is a daily driver, so I don't really care. But yeah, I mean, the thing, I mean, it just looks good. Oh, also, on top of the bumper, I got a few more things done to the car. This car did originally come with base brakes, but I did swap it with the Akibono big brake kit. So the thing stops on a dime, which is good because, you know, when doing the speed limit, you kind of need better stopping power over the bass brakes. And I think that's about it. I think that's all of it. But now that the bumper is done and summer is here, and I live in Southern California, things are getting hot. The temperature of this car is reaching, you know, hotter than a fat girl in a sauna. I'm gonna get shit for that.
Oh, would you look at that?
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video, as I'm very distracting with my seatbelt. No, it's not the drugs I've taken. I don't do drugs. Drugs are bad. It's only marijuana. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video, all 10 of you. Hi Mom, I know you support my stuff too. Love you. You really can't beat the view. I'm so glad to where I moved. It's just, I grew up here. It's definitely a good place to live. Glad to be back. Also, got a new little trinket for the haters. All 5 of you that I said earlier. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's, you know, that's my feeling towards you. Are your feelings hurt yet? Because I hope they are. Because I'm thinking about you. Every time I think about you, I want you to think about this. And that's how you know how I feel about you. And your feelings are hurt. Your feelings are hurt. Peace.